Today's medical-centric topic is garlic, uses, side effects, and more. Garlic, Allium sativum, is a popular ingredient in cooking and has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Here's an overview of the uses, benefits, side effects, and other important information about garlic. Uses of garlic. 1. Culinary uses. Flavoring agent. Garlic is widely used to enhance the flavor of various dishes, including soups, sauces, meats, and vegetables. Seasoning. Garlic powder, garlic salt, and minced garlic are common seasonings in many cuisines. 2. Medicinal uses. Cardiovascular health. Garlic is known to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. Antimicrobial properties. Garlic has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making it useful in fighting infections. Anti-inflammatory. Garlic can help reduce inflammation and may be beneficial in conditions like arthritis. Immune system support. Regular consumption of garlic can boost the immune system and help prevent colds and flu. Antioxidant effects. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect cells from damage and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Benefits of garlic. 1. Heart health. Blood pressure. Studies have shown that garlic can help lower high blood pressure. Cholesterol levels. Garlic has been found to reduce total and LDL, bad, cholesterol levels. 2. Immune support. Cold and flu prevention. Regular intake of garlic may reduce the frequency and severity of colds and flu. 3. Cancer prevention. Antioxidants. The antioxidants in garlic help protect cells from oxidative damage, which can reduce the risk of cancer. 4. Anti-inflammatory. Reduced inflammation. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can help manage conditions like arthritis. Side effects of garlic. 1. Digestive issues. Upset stomach. Consuming large amounts of garlic can cause stomach upset, bloating, and gas. Heartburn. Garlic may cause heartburn in some individuals. 2. Allergic reactions. Skin irritation. Handling raw garlic can cause skin irritation or an allergic reaction in some people. Breath and body odor. Garlic consumption can lead to strong breath and body odor. 3. Bleeding risk. Blood thinning. Garlic has blood-thinning properties which can increase the risk of bleeding, especially if taken with anticoagulant medications. Precautions and interactions. 1. Medication interactions. Anticoagulants. Garlic can enhance the effects of blood-thinning medications, increasing the risk of bleeding. Blood pressure medications. Garlic may lower blood pressure, so it's important to monitor levels if taking blood pressure medications.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.